Alright, this is the elevator at Macy's, Sherwood Mall in Stockton, California. These are original Montgomerys. Let's go to 2. The indicator's completely burned out. Let's watch this. Oh, button go out. Put it 1. This thing's amazing. Alright, nobody's there. The door close button works. DOCO doors. This is just like the one at the downtown Plaza location. Got your original buttons right here. These are Montgomery GMP, which is CJA Anderson. Go for another ride. This thing's so epic. Listen to the motor. This thing is epic on motor. These are EPCO buttons right here. This thing's amazing. These are Montgomery GMP from early 1960s. Yeah, these are ADA compliant buttons. Got EPCO WN buttons. And these are the original ones with CJ Anderson on them. That's what Montgomery uses before they make GT Square.